Hello everyone, I'm Cynthia Ruth, and in this video I will share with you several ways to help teens grow into responsible adults. Also, don't miss my bonus strategy at the end of this video. So if this video is for you, let's get right to it.
Welcome to Ruth Straight Talk, the channel designed to help teachers, parents, and students live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be.
During adolescence, executive functioning skills are not yet at adult levels. Yet, teenagers need to communicate effectively in multiple contexts as well as manage their own school and extracurricular assignments. Here are some ways to build those executive function skills in teens. The first skill, goal setting, planning, and monitoring. Self-regulation is necessary in any goal-directed activity. The teen must identify the goals, make plans, monitor the progress, and adjust behaviors in order to complete the goal. So here's how you can help them. First of all, focus on the planning process. Encourage the teen to identify something specific that they want to accomplish. Most important is that the goal is meaningful to them and not established by others. For some teens, planning a college application process may be self-motivating, but for others, planning a social event may be more important. Start with something fairly simple and achievable, such as maybe getting a driver's license or saving money to buy a computer, before moving on to long-term goals like buying a car or applying for college. B. Help the teen develop those plans. They should identify short and long-term goals and think about what has to be done in order to achieve them. For example, if the teen wants their team to win the sports championship, what skills do they need to learn? How might they practice those skills? And they need to identify some problems that might arise and encourage the team to plan ahead for those problems. C. Remind adolescents to periodically monitor their behavior. They should consider whether they are doing the things they planned and whether these plans are achieving the goals that they identified. They may ask questions such as, is this part of the plan? If not, why am I doing it? Has something changed? Monitoring in this way can identify counterproductive, habitual, and impulsive actions and maintain focused attention and conscious control. Number 2. Here are some executive function activities for adolescents. A. Self-talk. Self-talk is a powerful way to bring thoughts and actions into consciousness. Examples include having teenagers talk themselves through the steps of a difficult activity, or periodically pausing for a mental play-by-play narrative of what is happening. Self-talk can help adolescents identify potential problematic thinking and behavior patterns. B. Encourage self-talk that focuses primarily on growth. Help the teen recognize that an experience, particularly a failure, can offer lessons, and self-talk can lead to a greater understanding as to what went wrong and why. C. Learning from mistakes. Failure must not be interpreted as a final judgment on one's ability. For example, when a sports team loses a game, help a discouraged team member to consider what went wrong and what he or she might do to improve the next time. The same thinking can be helpful for school assignments. Help adolescents be mindful of interruptions. Multitasking may feel good, but research shows that it saps attention and impedes performance. If two or more tasks are competing for attention, help the teen to find a way to prioritize and sequence these activities. For example, if her BFF calls on the phone while she's studying for a test, she must be willing to choose to finish studying before taking the call. E. Understanding the motivations of others. This can be challenging, particularly when people are driven by different perspectives. Encourage teens to identify their hypothesis about others' motivations and then consider alternatives. Why do you think she bumped into you? Can you think of another explanation? Teens who are not used to this kind of thinking may need to model the process repeatedly. Could it be that she bumped into you because she just didn't see you? F. Write a personal journal. Writing in a personal journal can foster self-reflection by providing teens a means with which to explore thoughts, feelings, actions, beliefs, and decisions. There are many ways to approach journaling, but all encourage self-awareness, reflection, and planning. G. Sports. The focused attention and skill development inherent in competitive sports draw on the ability to monitor one's own and others' actions, make quick decisions, and respond flexibly to play. Ongoing, challenging aerobic activities can also improve executive functions. H. Yoga and meditation. Activities that support a state of mindfulness or a non-judgmental awareness of moment-to-moment experiences may help teens develop sustained attention, reduce stress, and promote less reactive, more reflective decision-making and behaviors. I. Music. Working memory, selective attention, cognitive flexibility, and inhibitions are challenged while developing skills such as playing a musical instrument, singing, or dancing, particularly when dealing with complicated pieces that involve multiple parts, sophisticated rhythm, and improvisation. Theater. A performance is carefully choreographed and requires all participants on the stage and backstage to remember their jobs, attend to their timing, and manage their behavior. For actors, learning the lines and actions of a role draws heavily on attention and on working memory. Computer games. Computer games can also be valuable as long as time limits are established and observed. Games that require constant monitoring of environment and fast reaction times challenge selective attention, monitoring, and inhibition. Moving through complicated imaginary worlds, such as those found in many computer games, also challenge working memory and active skills.
The bonus tip: build a personal library for your child at home. Buy books that can take heavy use and fill a shelf with books that interests him. Find bargains through libraries and school used book sales. Create a private reading space in the home and a good reading light in the family room.
So there you have it, several ways to help your teen develop into a a responsible adult.
Thank you so much for visiting with us at ruthstraighttalk.com. If this video has helped you, please like us and leave us a comment at the bottom of the screen. And please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.